Hi guys, I'm just gonna show you, this is air fryer. I'm gonna show you how this works. Okay, I'm just gonna turn it on the switch. You put on here, is it on? This is M for menu, so it shows you that's fries, that looks like meat, that's prawn, and that's chicken. Oh, that's steak, and that's fish. This is the timing. So you see, this says 10 minutes. So let's assume you want to set it on 10 minutes. Maybe if you want to go somewhere to the store and come back, put it on 10 minutes or 15 minutes. Let's see, give it a timing. You put it on 20 minutes. You say, okay, I need to go somewhere in the less than 20, 30 minutes. You'll be back, and that's the 10 minutes. You put it on and you go where you want to go to. So when you open it, so I think you have to do all these things before, because once you open it, it goes off, because I assume you have to put everything all ready before you turn it on, so that's why it's gone off automatically. So by default it goes off once you open the air fryer. So this is the air fryer. We're gonna put corn. Open the corn, please. Use this to, kind of to let the air fryer, so I don't have to leave so many crumbs for me to wash it. So I put it here. It's alright. It's all safe to use. It says to use the foil. Also, there is air fryer. Air fryer is used as thin, like a paper like. It's used for air fryer, so you can get that for yourself as well and use in the air fryer. So I put it on and I have to keep turning it in between. So that goes in, push it, and that's it, comes on automatically. So okay, so 30 minutes now. Maybe I have to leave it on 30 minutes, but I'm sure it shouldn't be up to 30 minutes. It's a lot. I'm just gonna reduce the timing to 20. So 20 minutes is on. So when it's ready, it beeps to tell me it's ready and ready to come out from the air fryer. So this is it. Is on, and the countdown, there will be countdown. Let's see, the countdown is gonna start. Let's see. So it's still under 20 minutes, so it keeps, the countdown will be going to like 19, 18, 17, till it gets to 0, and then when it beeps, so you see the countdown has gone down to 19 now, so 1 minute gone. So when it beeps, it's all ready and it's ready to eat. Okay guys, thought to show you my air fryer. Okay, bye.